Hi, this is Raymond Camden, again here to talk to you about Leaflet as the easiest and simplest and just most fun JavaScript mapping library out there today. In my last video, I showed you how easy it was to drop a map on a page. You can see it here. I added a script tag with the Leaflet library. I loaded in their CSS. I added a blank div for the map, and I did, just a tiny bit of styling in there. And then I just dropped in like 5 lines of code. I initialized my map based on the div centered in Lafayette, Louisiana, and then I added a OpenStreetMap tile layer to actually render the map graphics. Super easy. So let's actually now see how easy it is to add markers to it. Now, Leaflet supports both markers and various other kinds of UI items. You have multiple ways that you can actually draw on the map. Markers is probably the most common one, and you can go l.marker and type in a latitude and longitude that you have probably memorized, of course. Add to map, and bam. And that's it. This actually returns a marker object that you can reuse if you want. But in terms of simplicity, that will quickly drop a marker on the map. If I wanted to also add something to it, again, there's a lot of options, but the simplest is bind popup, and you could pass it just some basic, HTML. We'll say this is a store, and we'll give it some open hours, 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. And bam, we have a little pop-up. I mean, that is as simple as you can get. If I go ahead and copy and paste just 2 more markers in there, we have a map with multiple stores that a user can go in there and click and see information. Very, very easy. In the next video, I'm going to show how to make this a bit more dynamic by loading in your data via a network fetch call.